Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In the last video, we have seen conditional statement in Java, that is if-else statement and if statement. In this video, we are going to remaining statements, that is ladder if-else. What is meant by ladder if-else? That is when we want to execute the multiple conditions at a time, then we use the ladder if-else statement. जैसे कि हमने देखा if-else statement में हम सिर्फ at a time one condition check कर सकते हैं. Either it is true, then execute the block. Then if false, then execute the else block. In this ladder statement, we are checking the multiple conditions at a time, and according to that, the condition what gets true, then it will execute the corresponding block. Here we have given the syntax of that, that is first if, then condition, then write the code, then for next condition else if, then again write condition similarly, and then in ending write the else block, that any one of them not get true, then it will execute the else block. Let's see with example. In the similar project, that is in the conditional statement project, we'll create one file. Right click on default package, then new and class. In that, give the name ladder if else. Check the main method and click on finish. Then in that, I am going to declare one string as color, name color. In this, we'll take this input from user. For that, use the scanner class that I already explained in our oldest video. Scanner, then create object is equals to, then new scanner. For that, we need to import the class. From Java util new, then scanner, and in that system.in. Then I'm writing message to take input, which is your favorite color. Then take input from user, that is st dot. Our color input type is string, so next, or we can use the next line as well. Then here I'm writing condition, that is using the ladder if else. First write if block, if color dot equals to white, then execute the if block. We'll use here the ignore case condition. Here write one message if the condition true, or you can write the block of code. I'm just printing system.out.println. Here your favorite color is, give the double quotes. Then print the name of the color, that is by printing the variable. If someone has selected, or give the another one, that is check that condition, write else if block. Again write the condition to check, that is I'm just copying the same condition by replacing the color name, that is black. Then again copy the same statement and paste it. Again write next condition for next color, that is pink. Curly brackets, and then print the statement within the block. मैंने यहाँ पर 3 कलर्स की कंडीशन चेक की है. यहाँ पर आप जितने भी कलर्स है वो कंडीशन डाल सकते हैं. आई एम राइटिंग द एल्स ब्लॉक. What is that use if the condition is not true among of them? इसमें से कोई भी conditions true नहीं होगी तो वो else block execute करेगा. That is here I'm giving the message, that is your favorite color is, I'm giving the none of them. Or you can also give like this, assign the value to color variable, that is none of them, and print the color variable. That is the same statement. We can declare variable in if block, else if block. We can check again condition in that. We can write the code which we need to or we want to execute. Then run this class run as Java application. Here they have asked us a question, that is which is your favorite color. I'm writing a black and press enter. Then here you can see our block get executed which true the condition, that is this block, that is when our color is equal to black, then this block get executed, that is your favorite color is black. What happens if I'm giving the out of this colors input? I'll clear the console and rerun again. Here now I'm giving the blue. Press enter. Here your favorite color is none of them, means जब color उसमें से नहीं होगा और condition true नहीं होगी तो else block execute होता है. Thank you so much for watching.